So yesterday we finished the workshop, and always at the end of the workshop I'll try to make a group picture. You see, I don't have a voice anymore because I talked a lot. So at the end of the workshop I always try to make a group picture, and we thought let's do the group picture outside. And as we are going outside, I think Michael told me, or Michael asked, let's do it like Borut style, somewhere on a tree or something. I thought, okay, that's a good idea. And the next one, then we need a dog. And the next one said, and we need some food. And then it all get out of hand. And we created this video that's following up right now. So guys, don't take it too serious, enjoy it and have some fun.
Hey Borut, top shit happens in Muckendorf. We just did a tribute for Borut. Check it out. whoa, whoa.